Good evening, tutor and parents. In this video, a critical incidents the class. Uh, the first question: where does the teacher work? The teacher teaching in the classroom, where she organized the student in each small space. A description and incident. The teacher has control of the student in the classroom. The teacher are attentive to the teacher instruction, but at one point in the class, uh, the student made a mistake in their pronunciation. That incident was the one that I could see in the incident of the class. How does the teacher respond in incident? Uh, for example, the teacher present a video that the student can observe it, the colors in English. Then she shared some sheet so that the children can paint the color. In this way, the teacher depends more in the topics. The sheet asks the student to repeat the pronunciation until she does, and this helped the student improving the pronunciation. Uh, this is my video. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you so much.